Let's solve this one. Explain why the differential equation. No. Solve and obtain. Okay. So for solving here, I just have to. Okay. I have to actually first of all break this down. So we have a x e to the power x times e to the power y. I take this e to the power y to the other side, so I get here dy by dx. No, not dy by dx. E to the power minus y dy equals to x e to the power x dx. Take this to the other side, take this to the other side. Integrate both sides, and then we have now um, some integration by parts here. So first of all, I'm going to right hand side integral x e to the power x dx equals to, I'll leave this as is, integrate this minus the integral of this derivative of this 1 integral of this e to the power x dx. This equals to x e to the power x minus e to the power x plus c. So we have here e to the power minus e to the power minus y equals to x e to the power x minus e to the power x plus c. Then we have when y equal to 0, x equal to 0. So it means this, this, this. These two are same, these two are same. When this is 0, these two are same, so c equals to 0. Therefore, minus e to the power minus y equals to x e to the power x minus e to the power x, or basically e to the power minus y equals to x e to the power x, no, e to the power x minus x e to the power x. Then it says to explain briefly why x can only take values less than 1. Now, because if we notice here, if we have this guy here, a to the power minus y, no, a to the power y there. Let's say we have x equals to 1. What do we have then? We have e to the power minus y, okay, e to the power minus y equals to e minus 1, e. So e minus e equal to 0. So in this case, it would never be possible. If I had something greater, then this would be eventually, it turns out that I have a greater number here. I have a greater number here. I multiply with that. This becomes a lot greater. So eventually, for, I can write it down like this. For x greater than or equal to 1, e to the power x minus x e to the power x becomes less than or equal to 0. How? As x is no, as x, as e to the power x is greater than x, if I multiply x with e to the power x, then this is actually greater than e to the power x. All right. So therefore, this thing becomes less than or equal to 0, and e to the power y minus y cannot be less than or equal to 0. Exponent cannot be less than or equal to 0. I mean, write down this statement, write down a statement or two on this, then you will be getting your mark, hopefully. Let's see what the mark scheme suggests. Nothing. It just says justify. But yeah, it should be the answer. It should be the answer. All right. That we have to state that this becomes less than 0, because this thing eventually becomes greater than e to the power x if this is greater than or equal to 1. So therefore, this is it. Therefore, this is not applicable. Oh wait, and what else did it say? Nothing. Yeah, it said y. It said to obtain expression for y in terms of x. So if I remove this e here, then I get a ln. If I remove this minus, then I get minus ln. So minus ln e to the power x minus minus x e to the power x. I could simplify this further if I want to, but I won't. No, actually I cannot. So that's it.